What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting video because I haven't done one of these in a hot minute, but you guys have been requesting it. So we are doing some toddler activities, some educational, some fun, indoor toddler activities to do. Sydney is 3 years old, but you can do any of these activities with younger or older. Just like modify them for whatever your children's skill level is. Are you excited to have some fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so springtime's coming around where it's gonna be rainy and wet and muddy, and then we've got all these viruses and illnesses going around. So I think having some indoor activities in your back pocket, maybe some educational and some fun, like I said, is very important and necessary so that we all don't go crazy inside, isn't it? If you guys like these types of videos, definitely give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what is an activity in this video that you guys are gonna try with your little ones, or if you have any fun activities, definitely leave me a comment down below so that we can all get all kinds of things in our back pocket. So if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Hayley. This is Sydney. She just turned 3 years old. I am a single mama, work from home, full-time YouTuber. So we are at home all the time, and I need to get work done a lot of times. I want to educate her because she's not in preschool. There's a whole mess of reasons why I like to do indoor activities and unique indoor activities with her. So if you guys are new, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I do all kinds of motherhood and lifestyle videos, educational, what we eat in a day, daily vlogs, Amazon hauls, all kinds of good stuff. So I would love to have you a part of my channel. For this first lesson, I took Post-it notes and I wrote an uppercase letter on each Post-it note, and I worked one letter at a time. We were working on phonics with Sydney. So it depends on where your child is at. You can do maybe matching colors if they're not there yet. If they're a little bit younger, you can do matching uppercase with lowercase letters. The options are endless, but yeah, this was a phonics lesson that I did with Sydney and it turned out so fun. Okay, so the game that we're gonna play, I'm gonna take these Post-it notes and I'm gonna put them around your playroom and you're gonna have to find them, okay? So what letter is this? Look at the Post-it note. What letter is it?
B.
B, good job. So I'm gonna put these Post-it notes on things that start with the letter B.
Do you know I'm looking?
All right, so Mama put sticky notes on everything that starts with the letter B, okay? So when you find a sticky note, you have to tell me what object it is, okay? Are you ready to go in your playroom and look? Okay, let's look.
It's so hard, I can't see anything.
You can't?
No, it's...
Pick it up. What is that on? What is this? What is it? That's the letter B, but what is this, Sydney?
The basket.
Good job. Basket starts with B.
Where's my bumblebee?
Okay, so bumblebee starts with B. Bumblebee.
Well, let's find another one.
Okay, let's find another one.
Wait.
Good job. B for blackberries.
So let's find another sticky note.
Okay.
Let's find another one.
Sydney had a lot of fun with this activity. It was like an Easter egg hunt for her. Run around, find all the Post-it notes, and what I really liked was that she was telling me the objects as she was pulling the sticky notes off. She got the hang of it so fast, and basically I was just a broken record saying B sounds like B, and this is the object book, bear, ball, etc. But she had so much fun with this. And then after she found all of the sticky notes, I ended up letting her put the sticky note on the corresponding object. Now she did copy where I put them, but that's okay. It's still a learning lesson. Eventually, she'll get it and she'll understand, the letter sounds. What starts with B? B.
Bumblebee.
Good job. Put it on your bumblebee. Great job! Do you know what else starts with B? B. Ball. So put it on your ball. Great job! What else starts with B? B. Okay, so I'm doing the letter T now. We did truck, teapot, we did trampoline. What is that? What was that on?
Tent.
Tent!
And now it's finding nothing now.
Okay. T for tent. She found all the T's like so fast. I think there's only one more T that I put out here. T? What is that?
Tomato.
T for tomato. So T sounds like T. This next activity is using your fine motor skills, and all you need are some dot stickers and a Sharpie on a piece of paper. I decided to write the word hop since we're heading into spring. Oh, why not? And Sydney knows her letters. You can do a squiggly line, you can do shapes or a picture, anything you want. Okay, so what letter is that one?
X.
H.
L.
O.
P.
P spells hop. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these dot stickers and you're gonna put the dots on the black line and trace the letter, okay?
And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
Now, I don't know about you, but my toddler absolutely loves stickers. It's just fascinating for her. She could do it for such a long time, just peeling them off and sticking them down. So this activity, actually, she wanted to do it for a very long time, and she was very thorough with the letter P. You'll see in the next clip. But yeah, again, you guys can do this. 2-year-olds, it just depends on your child's skill level, but I know, you can totally do this at a younger age or all the way up to an older age and have them trace and kind of like, what is it called? I don't know, follow the line. But yeah, do any shapes, squiggly lines, words, letters, anything you like. So I'm definitely showing you my lovely artistic skills in this next activity. Oh my word, it's so embarrassing. Anyway, I decided to do like a matching where the animals live, their habitat. So I have the ocean, the farm, the Sahara or jungle, whatever I drew over there. I just went through a bunch of Sydney's flashcards and picked out animals that live in these different habitats and had her match up where they lived. This is a great skill for toddlers to have. It gets them, thinking, where do these animals live? What's their habitat like and environment like? And Sydney really enjoyed this. These are the waves and that's the sand. So that's the ocean. This is a barn for the farm. So animals that live on the farm. And then this is like the Sahara, the desert, the jungle, the other stuff. Okay?
But the wire stuff, why is it going to eat me? The stuff is so far away.
So where does a cow live? Which one does the cow live? The ocean, the farm, or the Sahara? So ocean, farm, or jungle? Where does the cow live?
The barn.
Good job. So put him right here. Good job.
A zebra.
Ooh, where do you think a zebra lives?
And here.
Good job. Perfect.
Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you?
This next activity is a name recognition activity, and this is new for Sydney. She knows how to spell her name, and now we're working on just recognizing what her name looks like. So this next activity, you're gonna find your name on the piece of paper, okay? How do you spell Sydney?
S-Y-D-N-E-Y.
S-Y-D-N-E-Y. I absolutely loved this activity. Sydney caught on. We ended up doing another page of it. The first page, she basically was like, Mom, I just want to color. What are you even asking me to do? But then the second page that we did, she did absolutely perfect. If your child is not there yet, again, you can just do different shapes, or you can just do different colors and like color in circles and ask them to circle the green ones or whatever. You can do it with numbers instead of letters. There's endless options here, and I just loved it.
I'll put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this.
This next one is more of a sciencey, in quotations, it's a sciencey experiment. So you're gonna need some food coloring, shaving cream, and then a dropper if you have it. We did not have a dropper, so I found a medicine syringe. We ended up just using a teaspoon eventually, but that is what you're gonna need, and then 2 small bowls. So basically, this is kind of like a rain experiment showing how clouds get heavy with water and then rain. It's above her head, of course, but it was a cute little experiment. So you're going to start with 2 little dishes or however many dishes of water and add some food coloring to them so that you have different colors of water, and then fill a glass or vase, whatever you want to do, about 3/4 full of water. And then you're going to top that vase with shaving cream. And then what you're supposed to do is take a little dropper and drop little colors all around the shaving cream, and eventually it will go through the shaving cream and make really fun swirls in the water. Again, the medicine syringe thing, it just totally wasn't working for us, so I ended up getting her a teaspoon. And Sydney, you guys, she played with this for over an hour, and not just like dropping the colors in over the shaving cream. She loved that part, but then she was taking all the shaving cream and putting it into the bowls of the food coloring, and just, I don't know. Water play is huge with this toddler. If it is with yours, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, she definitely, it doesn't really matter if they stick to the said experiment exactly the way it's supposed to be or not, as long as their minds are occupied and they're like problem solving and just constantly using their brains to transfer water and textures and colors, and they're learning. So it's an A+ in my book. It's okay. That's why I put the mat down. Just don't touch it. Look at all the swirled color in the water. It's going through the shaving cream and onto the water. That's what happens when it rains. So you can pretend that the shaving cream is the cloud, and when the cloud gets too wet and heavy, it rains.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Sydney is still going strong. 45 minutes later, she's just having fun, like transferring the water and shaving cream from bowl to cup to bowl. She loves it. That's what I like most about activities like this, is you don't have to like stick to a strict do this and then it's over, or do this only. As long as they're entertained, their mind is working, they're learning, their hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, like problem solving. I love it. I love it all. This next activity is a super simple sensory bin, and it's just water with dish soap and a bunch of Sydney's toys, and I threw a sponge in there as well as a dish brush, and I let Sydney just play and have fun and kind of watched what she did. She loves water play and sensory bins and obsessed with washing dishes these days, so I just laid towels down. You can have your child play in the bathtub with this, outside with this. Sydney is a little bit older, so she's, you know, more trustworthy with not making a crazy big mess. With this, she did get it on her clothes, so I eventually, you know, just
stripped her down to, you know, her undies. But yeah, this also was the very end of the night, so I was just gonna give her a bath and pop her in pajamas after this anyway.
Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got ideas, definitely give this a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you guys a part of my family here on YouTube, and I would love to continue to do videos like this. Also, if you do any of these activities with simple things that you have in your house already, then tag me on Instagram so I can share you to my stories. I would love it if you guys tried out some of these things with your little ones. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?